so I'm on my way to Michael's. Haven't been there in a long time, but I figured I wanted to get some inspiration for my business. So I'm like, let me go to Michael's. Michael's is a craft store in New York. It's funny because I discovered Michael's maybe like a year, 2 years ago. And I always heard about it, but I didn't go. And then when I went in there, I'm like, oh my God, like this is a creative person's dream come true. My mom knew about Michael's too, and she didn't even put me on. My mom does crochet. She sews beautiful blankets too. Her Etsy shop is coming soon. You guys have asked me about that blanket that you've seen in my videos, my older videos. That's my old time YouTubers who know me. But yeah, I'm on my way to Michael's, so follow me and I will show you what I get inspired by. Hopefully I can find some good things for my business. I'm about to cross the street, so I'm being attentive to the cars, but follow me along. I just made it to Michael's. I'm excited. I haven't been here in a while. I want to see like what they have, what I can be inspired by. I think I'm looking for like jewels, like bling type of stuff. And stuff so that when I take my photos of my products that I can design like the backgrounds. They have Valentine's Day stuff out. Let me turn the camera around so y'all can see. Oh, this is the line. This is the 99-cent stuff. Paint brushes, jars, crayons. Okay, so I see some of the sparkly paper I think I could use for backgrounds. I don't see black, but Valentine's Day is coming up, so maybe red. That's why they have it for $159 and all the rest are $199. So I'm gonna get a couple of those. Okay guys, this bus, hold on. Okay, sorry about the loud bus. You know I live in New York City, so everything is loud. I didn't do such a good job of taping me shopping in Michael's only because I got like distracted. I saw so many things and it was like being reintroduced to the store again. So I was just like going through the aisles trying to figure out where everything was. Then I wasn't sure what I wanted to get because I got overstimulated. And I'm like, okay, I got to stay on track with what I need for my business. So I ended up getting a dry erase board because I know I need that. Only because like I like to write stuff down a lot and I use lots of notebooks and lots of paper. Then I just got a gold background and I'll show you all when I get home. But I got a gold background to help with taking pictures with some of my products. So I will show you when I get home. Okay, so I got my salad and I'm on my way back home. I'm excited because I have so many ideas in my head. I can't wait to just sit down and brainstorm. And I look forward to just making some new things for you guys. Switching up my business, making it bigger, making it better, making it more exciting, making it more creative. You guys who have been supporting me, I really thank you so much. I have so many return customers. And I really thank you so much for supporting my business. I thank all of you guys who send me beautiful messages all the time that I inspire you. And the sewing tutorials are coming. I just moved, so just give me a little more time to get myself settled and organized. Yeah, it's a process. It's a lot, but it's all good and I'm very grateful and I'm very thankful. So some parts of the video are shot out of sequence. So the day that I had gone to Michael's and got my stuff that I needed for the business, I wasn't able to shoot that day. I think I was so busy doing business stuff and I didn't get to do it. So this is actually another day. But I hope you guys are enjoying this series. As you can see, my hair is different. This is one of my protective styles. And I'll be doing videos on that, but this video is not about hair right now. You see my Janet T, you know I rep for Janet. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I got. Well, when I went to Michael's that day, I got just 2 things because I got overwhelmed. I didn't know like what I wanted. I mean, I had an idea, but then when you go in there and you see so many different things, it's like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. And so I was like, okay, stick to what you really need. Sorry, the writing is backwards. My camera is on selfie mode from my phone, and that's why it looks like that. I don't like it. It makes your face and stuff look distorted. But yeah, so I got this dry erase board, and it's magnetic, so I could put it on the fridge or anywhere where I could put it. Yeah, and this will help me to remind myself of anything that I need to do right away. Like, I write things down all the time, but I have so many notebooks, and then I have so many notes. Sometimes it's hard to keep track. So I figured a good way that I could keep track of what I need to do specifically for the business each day or throughout the week is to write the goals down on a dry erase board. So when I get up and I look and see the dry erase board, I know, oh, I have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. So I thought this would be very helpful to keep me organized, to keep me focused, and to keep me on track with my business goals. So yeah. Okay, so the other thing I got was a poster board. Oh, it's so hard. This display, it's hard to hold the phone and do a video at the same time. See this? I don't know if you could see it, but this I'm gonna use like as a display or a background for my photo shoots for my products. I wish they had one like this that I could do photo shoots for myself. But anyway, yeah, so that's what I got at Michael's that day. I'll show you what I got from the discount store today for my business. So I got today from the discount store after I mailed the products to my beautiful customers. I got purple tissue paper and I got white tissue paper, and I'm just gonna use this to mail out mail out the orders and stuff like that. I always like to put like decorative tissue paper. I always put like a thank you card and everything like that, just to thank you guys for supporting my business. I really, really appreciate you guys. I remember there was a time when I wasn't able to fill orders, like, life happens. And I got really, really discouraged. And I'm like, oh my gosh, like nothing's working out. I'm not going to be able to do this. So I'm like, all right, fine. I'm just not going to do this anymore or whatever. And a whole bunch of you guys just started emailing me, sending me messages, asking for products. And like right away, you guys were just like, okay, I used to see all of these hair socks and bonnets, how come I don't see them anymore? And you even went, some of you guys even went far enough to describe the products that you were looking for. And I was just so overwhelmed with joy because I thought no one cared. And so it was so nice to see that my customers really care, and I really do care about you guys too, because some of you guys send me emails that are personal. Like you think, okay, this is business, you're selling products, whatever, but business is not just business, unfortunately. Well, fortunately and or unfortunately, like you have to always remember, like there's someone on the other side of that computer screen. I think a lot of us have gotten accustomed to the fact that, everyone's on their phones. We always text, we always send posts on social media, but I think with that taking over communication, like people fail to realize that there's a human on the other side. There's somebody with feelings on the other side. There's someone who may be going through something on the other side. I've had customers tell me that they've been going through stuff in their home, and that the only way that they're able to cope with that is to go online shopping, and they found my products and happened to just buy my products because they, that was a way that they dealt with the problems that they had. And it's like, when I hear it, it's just so surprising to me. But then again, it's just like, you know what? We're all human. I mean, having people gone, like shopping who have issues, like people who are, what do you call it? Shopaholics. yeah, they go shopping when they have issues and they spend a lot of money. So, you know, yeah, it happens. So yeah, so I just want to say thank you so much to those of you who have supported me. Again, I always say this, like, people can say, oh, I went on your site and it looks cute and da 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 da, but they will never make a purchase. Meanwhile, you know, you have other people who really are there for you. Like, they are your hardcore customers. Like, they're always looking for what's the new product, and they kind of keep me in check. Because sometimes I'm just like, oh, it's stuff up there. But no, there are people who know your website inside and out, and they're like, look, where's the new products? Do you have this color? Do you think you want to do the longer lengths or bigger sizes, children's? Like, they give me ideas and they keep me on track. So I want to thank you guys for that. But if you haven't already checked out my site, check it out, etsy.com/shop/charisma4you. I am definitely expanding, and yeah, and I'm going to show you little bits and pieces of how I put orders together, business life as a fashion designer, and everything else. I have a fashion channel if anyone's interested for just the sewing tutorials and just fashion. It's Charisma4you Fashion on YouTube. I haven't posted on that in a while. Most of the time I post my DIYs on my main channel, Charisma4you, first, and then post the DIYs on that second. But you know, I haven't done DIYs in a while, which I will soon. But just be ready that, you know, I'll be posting again and again for those, because I have different viewers. Some watch me for natural hair, some watch me for fashion, some watch me for talent, or a mixture thereof. So if you're just for fashion and you don't want to see natural hair or all the other stuff, you can go on the Charisma4you Fashion. There's just about all my tutorials. Maybe there's a couple that I didn't put up that's on both, but for the most part it's all fashion, so you won't find anything about hair, anything about talent, or any miscellaneous. If you more so are a person who wants a little bit of everything, you want vlogs, you want fashion, you want hair, you want healthy living, vegan food, stuff like that, that's my main channel. Yeah, so follow me on Instagram, Charisma4you. Check out my online store, etsy.com/shop/charisma4you. And I know some people ask, why don't I have a website? It's just that Etsy has been working for me right now, and I do plan on expanding, but it's been working. So if it ain't broke, don't try to fix it. I take things one day at a time, one step at a time. I never try to compete with anyone. The only person I'm competing with is myself, and honestly, I'm not even competing with myself. I'm just trying to be a better version of myself every single day. So I hope these vlogs are helpful to you. I'm a person who likes to talk online. In person, no. Like, to strangers, no. To strangers, I can talk online. In person, I can talk to people that I know and trust. But if you want me to talk more, online would be a better medium for me, because I'm not really much of someone who likes lots and lots of people. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.